When we found out that the fascists had planned, they were coming down the M1, they were going to come down the M1, they were mobilising across London and they were going to attack Brick Lane. So we'd get a phone call from Scratchwood Services, we think so many people have gone, coach load or whatever. Then we'd get another phone call from another part, because we didn't have mobiles, remember. These were all from public call boxes or cafes or wherever people could do so into a phone. We would then have to phone out to people who engaged in, or we had runners as well. Somebody would run physically, say, look, they're not at the top, they're going to coming down at the bottom. And we did know where the fascists were. We had an idea there were likely to be a couple of hundred. We did have punch-ups as well. We kept them off the streets. And it was really terrible, because it was the same day as they'd organised this Rock Against Racism concerts. There were hundreds of people dancing to racism. And it was a ridiculous state of affairs. So ridiculous, I believe they endangered the black community of Brick Lane and did a terrible disservice to the struggle against racism. But it was a harbinger of what was yet to come, because they did that over and over again. In a sense, they were so preoccupied with their own agenda, they forgot to see what area the shit was hitting where.